Page 286, the Neapolitan Sixth Chord. Another sixth chord. We're loaded with them, ain't we? Well, this is kind of a cool chord. It's simply a 2 chord that's taken down a half step. Let's go C major. 1 chord, 2, 3, 4, 5, blah, blah, blah. Okay, a 2 chord. And what I want to do is I'm going to take that down a half step. I'm leaving that note alone. It's still a major chord. Now a 2 chord is a minor chord, but the Neapolitan is a major chord. And it's in first inversion. Usually it's in first inversion. So that's where the 6 comes from. It's like a 1/6 chord. Remember 1/6? It's in first inversion because that's an interval of a 6. It's a 1/6. Well, this is a 2/6, but it's a Neapolitan 6. So you take the 2 down a half step. Here. They give an example there in the middle of how it's used. Here. Does that sound wonderful or what? Resolves to the 5 chord. It goes here, here. Does it just go up? I don't like the way it's used in this chord progression, but when you get it in pieces, it can sound really neat. It just is. That second measure here. So you're just taking that 2 up here. They got others. G major would go up here. So we could do that one. Notice the chord numbers underneath. Well, in the second measure, it's an N6 for a Neapolitan 6, because if they said a 2/6, that would be just a regular 6 chord. But when it's an N6, now you got to go down here. So in G major, it's 1 here. We're going to first inversion. And then 4, 4, and then that Neapolitan 6 thingy again, which it would be here, here. First inversion. That. So, and then the 1 chord, 5, 7, here. You just take that 2 chord, whatever it is, invert it 1 time, lower the notes, lower the top and bottom note down 1, and then take the inversion. Yeah. So like a recipe you got to follow. That's all I care to say. We're going to have examples of this, I'm sure. As I said, I don't pay any attention to it. I just play the notes in the music because I don't get into composing and things. But if you are wanting to do that kind of thing, you need to be aware of these because they can add a little flavor to the harmony. If you like flavor, I guess.